Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to show calls tab in Telegram app on iPhone. So this is my Telegram app opened on this iPhone device. Let me show you. You can see I have this iPhone device and I have this Telegram app opened. And if I go to this bottom menu, you can see I don't have any calls tab. So let's show that. So for that, you have to tap on this settings, this gear icon at the bottom right. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this recent calls, and you can see here we have this show calls tab. A call icon will appear in the tab bar. So here we have this toggle button and next to this show calls tab. So you have to enable this toggle. So just tap on this toggle button next to this and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this and you can see it's now enabled. And if I go back, you can see here we have this calls tab showing in this bottom menu. And if I tap on this, you can see I have this screen opened. And here we have this all, this tab. And if I tap on this missed one, you can see. Let me tap on this all. So that's it. In this way, you can easily show calls tab in Telegram app on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.